See that bird? That bird's eating. It's eating a worm, I think. Yep. Just thought I'd record it because it's fascinating. Can't really see it. Oh, there, look. There it is, look. It's got a worm in its mouth. Oh dear. Poor worm. Oh no. Why has it got a worm in its mouth? Needs to spit it out. Oh, I think it's killed it. It's like all scrunched up in its beak. Oh, it's got another one as well. What? Let's see if I can get a closer look. I've got to go outside. Oh, it flew off. Oh, shit. Sorry guys, it flew off when I was trying to get closer. I think it dropped its worm, I don't know. No, it kept the worm. It kept the worm.